Hi everyone! I'm excited to share that Bosch has sent me another gift. I just received this parcel which was delivered by LBC. Let's open it together and find out what's inside. And before anything else, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much to Bosch Professional Power Tools and Accessories for this thoughtful gift. And here it is, a precision set. These are small screwdriver bits, which would be perfect for tightening loose screws on my eyeglasses or when I'm working on a repair of my PC or laptop and many other electronic items. Here we have 10 pieces of impact screwdriver bits, Pro PH2. And of course, the highlight. Wow! The Bosch GDR18V-220C impact driver. It's amazing! It'll pair perfectly with my GDX18V-200C impact driver. But I'm not going to open it just yet. Be sure to watch out for my unboxing and review video of this impact driver. See you soon!